Welcome back, and let's get out and do a little truck stop work. A little maintenance on the truck right quick because the ABS came on, and I'll show you all how you find which ABS it is and a quick fix after anything happening with the tire. All right, follow along. Now this has came on. Let's see if we can fix it. Maybe it's just loose, and it's F, and that's the same one we had the leak on. This is how you find it. I know I didn't show it, but this is how you find it. You use this little button and push it over and over and over till you see that, and then that's where everything should pop up. So you can find if it's A, B, C, D, E, F, or whatever. If you don't know the letters of your ABS system, that's A, the other side is B, C, D, then E, and F. And F is on for us. And you can still see the residue from the oil leak we had. So let's see if they just didn't push it in. And remember, you just follow the cord. This cord right here. This is it, right? This is it. So we're gonna try to push it in to see if that's it. You see how this one, you don't see any metal coming out of it? And then on this one, you see metal. So you're going to pull it out and then push it back in. That's how it looks. And it also looks a little dirty. So I don't know if we should try to get the rag and just put my stuff like that. Alright, he about to spray some of this on there. See? That helps. As of now, that fixed it. Hopefully it doesn't come back on. It's still slippery or something later. But we have 0 active codes and the lights are off. Okay. See you next time.